I'm Gary Baker. I'm with Plant Ranch Nursery here in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. I'm your Fertilome hometown helper. Today I'm going to show you how to repot a houseplant. For good drainage, we need to put in some gravel. This will also keep the soil from running all over your tabletop or your deck, or pool deck, or what have you. 2 or 3 inches is adequate. In repotting your plant, we want to use a good quality mix. We like the Fertilome Ultimate Potting Mix. We're going to take enough potting soil to get a little bit underneath the root ball. And you always know your plant is ready for repotting when these roots are circulating like this or become completely webbed on the outside. Get it in position. You want it slightly under the lip of the plant, of the pot. I'm going to work our potting soil in. Partially fill it, work the soil down around the root ball. After we've finished repotting our plant, we want to take our root stimulator at 3.5 tablespoons per gallon. The Fertilome root stimulator will stimulate the roots on this plant rapidly. And we want to water it thoroughly with our Fertilome root stimulator. This is going to help us get the plant to root very rapidly. Without it, it will take a lot longer for this plant to produce roots. It gives the plant a huge jump start. After you've watered it in thoroughly, you're going to want to choose a fertilizer for the plant that you've repotted. You can use water solubles or your choice, but it depends on what plant you've done as to what type of fertilizer you want to use. It's pretty simple. You're going to want to revisit this plant a year or so later. We may need to repot it again. When you have questions about the best way to care for your houseplant, visit your local independently owned Fertilome retailer where you can find local solutions for local problems.